In my last video, I showed a few free AI tools. Today, I want to show you how I actually use ChatGPT to save time every day. The first way I use ChatGPT is for emails. Instead of thinking about the perfect wording, I paste my rough message and ask it to rewrite it professionally. This helps me reply faster without overthinking. The second way I use ChatGPT is for learning. When I come across long articles or notes, I ask it to summarize everything into clear bullet points. This saves time and helps me focus on what actually matters. The third way I use ChatGPT is for planning and ideas. When I feel stuck, I ask it to generate ideas so I don't start from zero. It saves a lot of mental energy. If you like practical ways to use AI, subscribe to Neural Toolkit. I post simple and useful videos every week.